Hello everyone and welcome back to Gadgets and Toys. Today I'm going to show you my latest new toys, the upgrade to my DJI Mavic 2 Pro. This is not going to be an unboxing video because you can already find so many of them over YouTube. I'm just going to show you why I upgraded and my first impression of the drone. So let's get to it. Okay, here we are. I'm going to open it up. Okay, this is the pouch from the Fly More combo. I always recommend this combo when buying a DJI drone. Okay, this is the new DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The form factor remains pretty much the same as Mavic Pro, heavier and larger, not by much. The most noticeable part is the camera. That's what most of us enthusiasts are excited about. The Hasselblad camera. The gimbal on the Mavic Pro seems flimsy, and then when you're handling with it, especially putting on and off the filter, you always are afraid of breaking it. The gimbal on this look more sturdy. And of course the next big thing that is the 6-directional ND collision detection system. Mavic Pro only have the front and downwards. And design wise, they make a few changes. First of all, on the lens itself is removable, whereby you can just twist and remove this whole glass element. If you've got scratches or anything, you can just easily replace it. And when using the filter set, you're actually replacing it and not adding on top of it. The access to the SD card slot is much easier. You just have to flip the propeller away and you can open up the bay door to access to the SD card, which is way better when you compare it to the Mavic Pro. Just to share a bit about the filter set, I got the PGYTECH filter set that is at ND polarized 8, 16, 32 and 64. I initially wanted to get the Polar Pro filter, but that is pretty pricey, and this is supposedly to be the second best in the market, and I read a lot of good review about it. And also the PGY propeller holder, because every time I slip the drone in and out of the pouch or even into other bags, the propeller usually caught onto something when I slide in and out, and sometimes it bends the propeller a bit. So having this propeller holder, you will keep them in place and less chance of having that happen. Like I said, I'm not doing an unboxing and I'm not going to touch on anything on the specification, just to share with you my first impression. I'll be taking it out for a spin pretty soon, and they're going to test all the new quick shot mode features that are not available to Mavic Pro. There's only about 3 available in Mavic Pro, 3 or 4 I can't remember, but there's a lot more on the Mavic 2 Pro. So I'm going to test it out hopefully this weekend. I'll share them with you in the next video. I'm really excited about this. Really can't wait to fly it as soon as possible. I'll also be bringing it to Hong Kong in my October trip on the Dragonback Trail. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please click like, comment and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!